Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today we're diving into N26, a mobile banking platform available at n26.com/en-us. N26 is shaking up the traditional banking landscape with its modern, user-friendly approach. It offers a sleek, app-based experience designed for today's digitally connected world. Think of it as banking that fits seamlessly into the palm of your hand, allowing you to manage your finances anytime, anywhere. One of the biggest draws of N26 is its simplicity. It strips away the complexity often associated with traditional banks, providing a clear and intuitive interface. This means no more confusing jargon or hidden fees, just straightforward banking that's easy to understand and even easier to use. From checking your balance to making international transfers, N26 streamlines every aspect of your financial life. N26 also prides itself on its security. Your money is protected by advanced security measures, giving you peace of mind knowing your finances are safe. They utilize cutting-edge technology to safeguard your data and transactions, ensuring a secure banking environment. Furthermore, N26 offers a range of account options to suit different needs and lifestyles. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or simply looking for a more convenient way to manage your money, N26 has an account tailored for you. They offer features like real-time transaction notifications, budgeting tools, and even the ability to lock and unlock your card instantly through the app. This level of control puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Beyond its core banking features, N26 is constantly evolving and adding new innovative services. They're committed to providing a truly modern banking experience that adapts to the ever-changing needs of their customers. So, if you're tired of outdated banking practices and ready for a fresh, more flexible approach, be sure to check out N26 at n26.com/en-us. It might just be the banking revolution you've been waiting for. Let us know your thoughts about N26 in the comments below.